Every journey of watermelon juice begins in the quiet rhythm of the harvest.
Crates full. Bring the tractor.
Careful harvesting protects the sweetness hidden inside every watermelon. From the soil, the harvest begins its journey toward the factory. Fresh watermelons move quickly to preserve their natural flavor. The harvest travels from farmland toward the next stage of processing. Collection stations prepare the harvest for large-scale transport. Precision handling keeps the fruit intact before processing.
A little to the left, keep it straight. Good, slide it in tight.
Now the watermelons are ready for their journey to the factory. Within these trucks, thousands of watermelons move toward transformation. The destination ahead is where sweetness becomes juice. This is where harvested watermelons begin their industrial journey. Inside this facility, whole watermelons will soon become sweet red juice. The harvested watermelons enter the processing plant for the first stage of handling. Every load is carefully guided toward the automated intake system. Specialized machinery prepares the fruit for continuous factory flow. The conveyor system begins the controlled journey of each watermelon. The factory line steadily moves the harvest toward preparation. Before processing, every watermelon must be thoroughly cleaned. High-pressure washing removes every trace of the field. Rotating brushes polish the fruit for the next stage of processing. High-speed air systems prepare the fruit for inspection. Each watermelon moves toward careful inspection. Only the best fruit continues toward juice production. Next, the watermelons will be opened to reveal their sweet red core. Inside the processing line, the transformation begins. Precision blades reveal the sweet red interior. Now the fruit begins its preparation for juice extraction. The sweet pulp is separated from the tough outer rind. Fresh pulp gathers before the extraction process. Controlled movement ensures continuous processing. The fruit breaks down into its natural liquid form. Pipes carry the fresh juice mixture deeper into the plant. Filtration removes seeds and coarse fibers. Byproducts are separated while the juice continues forward. Now the pure juice prepares for refinement. The next stage will refine the juice for quality and consistency. Before refination, the juice passes through another layer of purification. Fine screening removes the last coarse particles. Inside the clarification tank, the liquid begins to stabilize. Controlled mixing ensures uniform sweetness and texture. Now the juice enters a more advanced purification system. Membrane filters polish the juice to remarkable purity. Clean watermelon juice gathers for controlled processing. Circulation keeps every drop perfectly balanced. Temperature control protects the natural flavor of watermelon. The stabilized juice now waits for transformation. With conditions confirmed, the next stage begins. Ahead lies the core transformation of watermelon into juice. Powerful mixers ensure perfect consistency. Next, pressure transforms the texture of the juice. High pressure refines the juice into silky smooth texture. Now the juice moves toward protective heat treatment. Pasteurization ensures safety while preserving flavor. Every drop is carefully monitored for perfect processing. Cooling stabilizes the freshly pasteurized juice. Blending prepares the juice for final refinement. Precision blending perfects the natural flavor. Now the refined juice prepares for automated production. From storage, the juice flows toward high-speed automation. From storage, the watermelon juice moves toward automated production. The flow is divided to feed multiple production systems. Removing air keeps the juice smooth and stable. Sterile systems protect the purity of the juice. Careful mixing keeps every batch consistent. The production line prepares for precision handling. Precision dosing prepares the juice for high-speed filling. Buffer tanks maintain constant flow for uninterrupted production. Now the juice approaches the final production stage. The machines prepare to deliver perfectly measured portions. The packaging line moves into position. Moments away, the sweet watermelon juice will fill its containers. Measured precision fills every bottle with fresh watermelon juice. The filled containers move forward along the automated line. The next step secures every bottle for safe storage. Caps travel automatically to meet each filled bottle. Automated cappers seal the sweetness inside. Sensors verify that every bottle is perfectly sealed. Labels bring identity to each bottle of watermelon juice. Every bottle receives its traceable production mark. Advanced cameras confirm perfect fill and clarity. Automation organizes the bottles for packaging. Shrink wrapping prepares the bottles for transport. The finished juice approaches the final stage of handling. Robotic precision begins organizing the finished watermelon juice. Layer by layer, the palette begins to take shape. Automation builds stable pallets for transport. Protective. Protective wrapping secures the shipment. Each pallet moves toward final verification. Sensors confirm the shipment is secure. From production, the juice moves into storage. Forklifts guide the finished product into storage. The warehouse holds thousands of bottles ready for delivery. Digital tracking keeps every pallet accounted for. Soon the watermelon juice will leave the factory. The final step of the journey begins. Even the finest juice is rigorously tested before leaving the factory. Samples are analyzed in a controlled environment. Each batch is measured for acidity and sweetness. Microbiological safety ensures consumer protection. Visual standards maintain the recognizable bright red hue. Consistent texture guarantees the perfect drinking experience. Advanced instruments confirm the juice meets all standards. Only batches passing all checks continue to distribution. Sensory analysis ensures the authentic flavor reaches consumers. Every batch is fully documented for quality assurance. Once approved, the juice returns to production for final packaging. Expert oversight ensures only the highest quality juice leaves the plant. Finished pallets await their journey from the factory. Forklifts handle each pallet with precision and care. The journey from warehouse to transport begins. Each pallet is carefully guided into the transport vehicle. Proper securing prevents movement during transit. The shipment is sealed, ready to reach its destination. From the factory, the juice begins its journey to consumers. Efficient logistics keep the supply moving steadily. Every pallet is accounted for and ready to deliver freshness. And this is how modern factories produce watermelon juice from start to finish. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.